guys, it's Dawn and welcome back to MakeupClasses.com. Today is Makeup Tip Monday. In fact, it's Makeup Tip Monday number 17. Check out my Instagram and you can see all of the makeup tips that I have so far. So let's just jump right into it. So Makeup Tip Monday number 17 reads like this. Apply mascara on the bottom lashes first to avoid getting mascara on the eye socket when the client looks up. Yes, this is a really important, very efficient little tip, makeup artists, but it means so much. It will save you so much time and aggravation. So basically, when you do the person's mascara, or beauty enthusiast, when you do your own mascara, the trick to not getting mascara on your beautiful eyeshadow or all over your eye socket is to start with the bottom first and then the top. Because what happens is if you do the top lashes first, all that wet mascara will get on the eye socket, on the eyeshadow when you ask your client or when you look up to do the bottom. So I'm going to demonstrate it right now. Here I have some Fresame volumizing mascara. The link is down below. You can order right here at MakeupClasses.com. And I'm also using the Crown Brush disposable mascara wand. Now, beauty enthusiasts, if you're using your own mascara, that's fine. You can double, triple, quadruple dip. But makeup artists, when you're working on a client, you want to practice the highest standards of sanitation and use disposable wands. Okay, so here we go. I'm going to take my mascara and put the wand in. Don't pump your mascara, twist it, because if you pump, you'll push air into the tube and that will dry out your mascara a lot faster. And makeup artists, you know that makeup is very expensive, so the longer you can keep it fresh, the better. And then when I take it out, you'll notice that sometimes you get like a lot of mascara on the tip there. You could just clean it right off into the tube. This way you don't waste that. And then close it up, okay? Don't leave your mascara open. Close it right away, makeup artists. Get in the habit of doing that with all of your liquids, creams, gels, anything that has water in it, because it will dry out. So always close your mascara, and you also avoid spills and getting it all over. Then the next thing I'm going to do is on my paper towel, bend the wands so I get a little bit of an angle here and it will be easier to work with. And then we start with the lashes. So I'm going to start doing the bottoms first. Let me get my hair out of the way. You can always pin the client's hair back or your hair back. And then I'm going to start with the bottom very carefully. So that's wet. And you can also zigzag to break up the mascara. And we'll do the other side. I'm going to flip the mascara wand to the other side. And again, you want to put a lot of coats on the bottom. And zigzag it. You can also use the tip of that wand and go over, because there are sometimes really little fine lashes and you want to make sure that you get all of them. Notice how I flip the wand, flip it this way. You don't want to go across the bridge of the nose because you'll get mascara on the nose, because there's some on the wand, on the stick of the wand. So you want to flip. And then once you do the bottom, then you go right in and do the top. And I like a lot of mascara. So this is a really efficient, easy way to do mascara either on yourself or your client to avoid getting wet mascara on the top. I hope that makes sense, because when you look up, that little bit of mascara on the tip of the lashes could get all over. And then what happens is you're taking so much time to clean up that mess. Well, guys, I hope that today's Makeup Tip Monday helps. Please use it. Let me know what you think. Drop a few lines or suggestions in the comments down below. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel so you get all of the notifications for the weekly videos. Thanks, guys, and I'll see you next time on MakeupClasses.com. Bye, everyone.